How to delete booking.com account. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up booking.com application. You can also open booking.com on a website or any web browser. Now at the bottom right corner, click on your profile. Now scroll down. Now tap on manage your account. Now click on security. Now on the last option you will find an about Now at the last option you will find an option for delete account. Simply tap on it. Now give your reason. Now tap on delete account. Now wait for some time. Now as you can see I have to cancel all my reservations before deleting my account. So simply go back. Now tap on bookings. Now cancel all the reservation and repeat the same process. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.